Oh man.
I do think about this quite a bit. Be able to freeze time, be able to slow down time. It's going quite quickly. I think I'm not always good at being in the moment.
I would like Hermione's time turner so that I can be in multiple places at the same time.
I'm happy where I am, but sometimes things happen and you're like, oh, I wish I could go back 5 minutes and correct that.
I mean, I think flying.
Fly?
Fly, fly, fly.
Fly?
Flying.
I would fly over mountains and kind of green areas and then just enjoy the views.
Yeah, flying would be cool. Bit cold.
I think I would like to be invisible.
I just want to see what happens when I'm not around.
I would try to enter into my best friend's house and see whether they're talking about me.
Being able to turn into animals, because that's like all the superpowers, you know? I could be a fly instead of being invisible.
I don't think we need a superpower. I would rather we have a sort of global governance framework where we don't actually need superpowers.
I could be a bear instead of being strong.
So you wouldn't be invisible for the day, you'd be able to fly.
Could be a puffin.
Well, no, I think the global governance framework doesn't work right now.
Reading minds, to read people's minds. I don't want to know what people are thinking. I'd still give it a go. If I could turn it off and turn it on, that would be pretty cool.
I think I'd be a polyglot. Speak any language.
You'd be able to understand them more, they'd be able to understand you and see your perspective.
I would want to have the power of just taking away poverty and making the world a little more fair, because I just feel that children going hungry and people living on the streets is just not fair.
Can I be the super person that has a combination of all those?